SmartGov is a system that we have developed in DOST6 as part of the uh, intervention under the smart and sustainable communities and programs of DOST. No? So yung goal naman natin sa SSCP is to have smart and resilient and
Resilient.
inclusive na communities. So SmartGov is one of the initiatives that we have come up with to help LGUs yung to jumpstart their digital transformation journey. So ayun, so more on ano siya on parang pinakis namin yung system together with may software component, may hardware component which will be deployed to selected LGUs in Region 6 initially. Ina-address kasi natin with digital transformation are yung mga processes na manual, yung mga fragmented processes. Kasi nag-contribute siya sa inefficiency ng pag-provide ng services in government offices. So, hindi lang sa LGUs, in almost all government agencies actually. So, yun yung problem that we are trying to address. And this was born because kami mismo sa DOST, we have realized that and we have started our own digital transformation journey long before, no? Maybe 10 years ago, before the pandemic.